Hello, ma'am. Which editorial should I check out today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu newspaper today in the opinion section, and it is about how electricity related accidents are rising in India. So come, let's have a look. So the article is steady rise in electricity-related fatality rates in India. Most accidents in 2025 occurred due to the accidental contact with live wires. Now the article highlights a steady rise in electricity-related fatality rates in India, which claimed over 18,000 people in India in 2023. Electrocution remains the top cause of such deaths, followed by lightning and fires. The electricity fatality rate, deaths per lakh population, has been consistently high over last decade, and in 2023 at least one person per lakh died due to electrical incidents. Now, a major concern is that 61% of all accidents in 2023 occurred in distribution networks, especially among non-industrial consumers, showing poor household level electrical safety. Most deaths happened due to accidental contacts with live wires, which is 35%, and negligence, which is 20%, and poor equipment maintenance, which is 15%. So again, it becomes very important. The DISCOM data reveals that over 90% of victims were general public, not employees, showing severe gaps in public awareness, infrastructure maintenance, and regulatory enforcement. States such as Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh report high casualty numbers. The trend underscores the urgent need for better grounding systems, safer wiring, upgraded distribution networks, compliance checks, and public awareness programs as well. Now let us see at the numbers at the charts. So in 2023, at least one person per lakh population died due to electrical accidents in India. In Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and UK, US, and the electrical fatality rate was between 0.101% and 0.04%, which is very less. Okay, let us look at the charts now. These are type of electrical accidents in 2023. So due to shocks, which is 77%. Then let us look at the chart 2, which is death due to electrical accidents and electrical fatality rate, the number of deaths per lakh population in India. So this is how the chart has been rising steadily, and in 2023 this was how the chart was. And now let us look at this chart 5, the share of locations of electrical accidents. So distribution is 61.4%, and then the rest. So again, it becomes a big problem, big issue. Now let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. So again, this is very important for GS paper 3, which is disaster management, and then it is very important for GS paper 2, which is governance perspective also, and then it is very important for GS paper 3 again, economy and power sector, and then it becomes very important for GS paper 1, which is internal security perspective. So yes, this becomes very important editorial. For a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNA video, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.